Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in today's additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, December the 11th, 2021. We have here six extra puzzles. The first one I have already solved. I won't do them all. Only three puzzles I will do. Sudoku with 3 stars, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. Tomorrow I will do the rest of the puzzles, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. But first we will solve this baby number. This will be number 3815. Before I start, I always count the boxes. Because what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's in the last row, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Alright, and now we need to let me see. Now I need to think. Yeah, or compare. Alright. 1001001. Yeah. This column and that column. Okay, let me see. 1100110011 empty box. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Haha. Okay. Yeah. Now. Well, we have here, if you see an O and a 1 in a row or in a column with 2 empty boxes between, yeah, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. Alright. Okay. Then. Need to compare. How about double 1? This one I cannot compare. We have here double 1. How about this one? No. Double O. This row and that row. O. 1 1 1 1 O. O, empty box, 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Okay, and now? Okay. Well, I told you between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay, now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1 there 1. Yeah. Yeah. This row and the last row. A lot of comparing. 1 1 1 1 O O O O 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 6 minutes. Okay. Alright, a lot of comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye-bye for now.